How's it going, everybody? This is Fastlane Fixer, and today is a little different. I'm not going to be working on a go-kart, but it has to do with go-karts. I'm going to be making two tracks, one right kind of around in here, and then one more right there. So one's going to be kind of muddy and hilly, and this one's going to be more flat and built for speed. So I'm gonna start with this one, and yeah, this should be a pretty cool time lapse. Okay, so I got the first path done. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and widen it out. Maybe, you know, make some of the corners a little less sharp. And then, yeah, I'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, I finished the first track. So I think I did about 2.5 widths cut. I'm gonna go hop on a mini bike, get my helmet on, and then I'll show you what it's like. Go. So I mean, it's okay for my first time, but I don't know, I wish it had a longer straight, so I might modify it a little bit, I don't know. But anyway, I guess that'll have to do it for that track. So let's go ahead and start on the other one. Okay, so I think I got the second track figured out. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here. Go, turn right there, come back, circle around that tree, and then go right where the mower is. Go back there, circle around up there, come all the way back here, turn around, and come back to the start. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first pass. And yeah, then we'll see what needs to be done next. Okay, so I got the first pass done, and I think this one's gonna be, it kind of has some speed, and it's going to be a little muddy, so I think I'm going to like this one. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. The one thing is that on the main straights, you go straight through some mud, so we'll see how that turns out, but I think it'll be fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up, and then we're going to do the first test ride on it. Well, there we go. Got it all done. So this one, well, both of them, they're really bumpy. So I guess I'm just gonna have to keep riding until it smooths out. But anyway, so yeah, I think I'm gonna drive it actually fast for the first time. Let's do this. Three, two, one, go! I like this one a lot better than the other one. It's just, I like the more straight stretches and less tight corners. One thing, when you're going through the muddy patches, if you're going too fast, sometimes the bumps will like try to move your tires and it feels like you're about to spin out, but I didn't lay it over, so we're good. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I'll see you next time.